Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the issue with Valorant. You got the error code VAL5. The game has lost connection. Please relaunch the client to restore the connectivity. Let's fix it guys. You just need to right click on the right client and select properties. Select the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator. Select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to go ahead and turn off your router and turn back on and check if the problem solved or not. If this failed to work, then let's move on to the next solution guys. You just need to click on this arrow icon over here and right click on the right games, click on exit. After closing the right games, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now in the command prompt you just need to type sc space delete space vgc, press enter. Now you just need to type sc space delete space vgk, press enter. After finishing this you just need to close it up here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC you just need to open up File Explorer and go to local disk C and double click on the program files. Now in here you just need to search for riot vanguard. You just need to right click on it and select delete it guys. In my case I didn't restarted my PC, that's why I can't able to delete this folder. You just need to go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting you just need to delete this riot vanguard guys. After deleting this folder you just need to close it off here and launch the right client and it will ask you to update Valorant guys. Click on the update in Valorant. Once the update is completed you just need to close it off here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. It's required to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. If not, then let's move on to the next solution guys. You just need to right click on the start icon and select run. In run window you just need to type ncpa.cpl, click on OK. Now you just need to right click on the internet you are using it. You just need to right click on it guys. In my case I am using Ethernet. Select properties. In here you just need to scroll down. You just need to uncheck this box in internet protocol version 6 and you just need to select the internet protocol version 4 and select properties. Select use the following DNS server addresses. In preferred DNS server you just need to type 8888. In alternative DNS server you just need to type 8844. After typing it click on OK to save as. Now you just need to close it off here and go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now in the command prompt you just need to type ipconfig space /flash dns, press enter. After finishing this close it off here. Now launch the right client and check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the next solution guys. You just need to open a browser and search for right account login. Click on the right account. Now you just need to log into your account guys. Once you are logged in you just need to click on login management. Now you just need to select log out everywhere and select confirm. Once you done this you just need to relaunch the right client. Now you just need to sign into your account and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of the solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.